Hey, what's up people? I keep getting this question, what does it feel like being a race driver inside a race car? The truth is, it is hard for me to explain or describe the feelings to you. So the closest thing I can describe best to you is to share this video with you during my qualifying lap in Shanghai. Onboard video looks straightforward and easy, but trust me, it wasn't. The reason it looks easy is because throughout the years I have worked and trained so hard and countless hours of preparations just so that I can execute my job during the race weekend. So let's hit the track, shall we? Welcome to my office. This is my qualifying lap and we are about to cross the timing line and the time starts now. As you can see, on my left is the main grandstand and on my right is the pit lane wall. Coming up is turn 1, very technical because it's off camber and very long corner, and you need to be very patient with your throttle in turn 1, otherwise you will have understeer all the way. Oops, coming out turn 3, a bit of oversteer there, losing a bit of time too. And through turn 4 the car was a bit nervous and required a bit of steering correction there. Coming up turn 6 is a very tight hairpin. Up turn 7, you can see the car is moving quite a bit and require quite a bit of steering correction here. Through turn 8, the car looks very smooth. Coming through turn 9, I short shifted into turn 10 to reduce the torque so that I can throttle earlier on the exit. 11, I short shifted again to prepare for turn 12 so that I can throttle early for the exit. Now we are entering turn 12, also known as Parabolica, and this is a very technical, long and fast corner with banking just like the oval track. Love this corner. Now coming out of Parabolica, this is the fastest part of the track and also the only time we can breathe, relax a little bit and maybe a sip of water too. Before hitting 300 km per hour, I braked really hard for the last time into the hairpin. Coming up last corner, just a bit of brake to keep the car planted so that I have maximum traction on the exit for my home run. There you have it guys. Again, it always looks easy on camera but not in real life. Thank you for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till then, bye for now.